Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you'll learn to use a pad, pocket and create a new plane using the Datum Plane. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make the base. The base is a rectangle with 8 millimeters by 60 millimeters, and we will extrude this 25 with a taper angle of 20 degrees. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 60 millimeters by 8 millimeters. And leave the sketch, go to pad, the length here is 25, and reverse the direction. The taper angle is 20 degrees, and press OK. Now we will create the cylinder. The cylinder has 30 millimeters of diameter, and the length of the cylinder is 155 minus 42. So select this face and go to create a sketch. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter. Leave the sketch, go to pad, the length here 155 minus 42 and press OK. Now we will create this circle here with 100 millimeters and this one with 8 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this face here is 155. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane, select this circle, make a circle here with 100 millimeters of diameter and another circle with 8 millimeters of diameter, and go to dimension, select here the center of the circle. The distance here is 155, and make sure that this circle is horizontal with this point. In my case it is horizontal, but if your circle is not, you will go to horizontal vertical constraints, select the center of the circle and select the midpoint, and leave the sketch, go to pad, and the distance here will be 40 millimeters. So the mode, select symmetric, the length 40 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create a plane at this point here, and this plane will be parallel with the top plane. So go to model here, and I will hide this body and show the origin. And here go to Datum Plane, and here to selecting the reference, select the top plane, and the direction here, the distance will be 155 in Z direction, and press OK. Now show the model and hide the origin and show this model here. Select this plane and go to create a sketch and select the toggle section here. Here we will make this cut. This cut has 30 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the plane and this cut here is 42 millimeters. So select a circle here in the center with 30 millimeters of diameter and leave the sketch, go to pocket. The length here is 42 millimeters and press OK. Now I will hide this plane here, or no, we'll use this plane again, sorry. And in this plane we will create this sketch here to make this cut in the top face. So here we have a circle here with 25 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between these two lines here is 80 millimeters. So select this plane and go to create a sketch. And here go to external projection, select this edge here and this edge here, toggle section. And here select circle, click here in the midpoint, 25 millimeters of diameter. And go to centered rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here, 18 millimeters. And go to constraints, select coincident, select this point here and this line. And here go to trim, cut this sketch here and here and here. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this one, and select this point here and this one, and leave the sketch. Go to pocket, flip the direction here, change the direction, and the type here is through all, and press OK. Hide this plane. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.